I'm gonna do sound check.
You gotta do a sound check? Okay.
Sound check.
Alrighty, sound check. Sound check, sound check.
Check, check, check.
Sound check, 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 check it, check it, check it, check. Sound check! Sound check! Alright, I think let's see how that plays back and does the sound check and whatever. 7 o'clock! It's 7 o'clock! We gotta get ready for what? Holy cow! We gotta hurry up! We gotta get going! Oh my god! Check, check, check. We're gonna be late. We don't want to make them wait. We don't want to make them wait.
Oh no. We've been live the whole time. I hit live by accident. Oh no. Oh no.
We've been live.
Oh no. Oh no. Hi. Oh no. Well!
Welcome to Maniacal Insanity here at the Beard Clan Dragon Lord Cave.
Oh my god.
It's
No, that was legit.
it's airbrush and drawing with beard, as in Ed Beard, not my beard. It's not big enough. Anyways, we thought we'd entertain you a little bit
That is actually kind of like the
That is
pandemonium.
kind of like what happens before we actually go live.
before we actually go live. It usually does have something like cameras out, then it was on 2 seconds ago, and then the sound's not working. But now it is, and now it's not. So we have our special alarm that goes off just to let us know.
Yes.
Anyways, welcome to part 2.
Part 2!